Hello friends, welcome to SSDN Technologies. Today we are going to discuss about web developer and web designer. With the increase in the online businesses, web developer and designers are in huge demand. But unfortunately, most of the IT professionals get confused between the two. In this, I will brief you about the web developer and web designer. So let's have a look at today's agenda. Let us start with the introduction, then we will look at the trajectories in both with their skill set. Then we will understand the difference between the two with the help of an example, and then we will understand the market trend and salary. So let's get started. A web designer is a person that makes the website look good. The main responsibility of the web designer is to focus on the style and overall feel of the website using software like Photoshop, CorelDRAW, etc. to make the website more attractive. A web designer is a graphic artist who is responsible for designing the layout, usability and visual appearance of the website. A successful web designer must possess an array of creative, graphic and technical skills. Who is web developer? A web developer are generally called programmers. A web developer is one of that develops application and functionality over the internet. It is rare to find a web developer that knows every programming language. Web developers usually just focus on few languages. Typically, one web developer will focus on the front-end programming of the site using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, while another will focus on the server-side programming like PHP, Java, Ruby and .NET. Their aim is to build a smooth running, well-functioning website. Web developers are responsible for the collaboration with UX designers, US designers, UI designers and visual designers to create web pages based on the design provided by the designer. Now let me look at the trajectories with their skill set. The various trajectories in the web designer are: Number 1. UX designer. UX is also known as user experience, basically how a user feels and his or demands getting fulfilled after using the software. In the simple terms, it is the user able to use the product in an efficient manner the way the developer has intended to use his articraft. UI designer means user interface designer, is the creation of graphics, illustrators and use of photographic artwork and typography to enhance the display and layout of a digital product within its various device views. Interface elements consist of input controls, button, drop-down menu, data fields, navigation components and informational components, etc. Number 3. Visual designer. The visual designer role is to aim for the complete product should look attractive. They are the mixture of user interference and graphic designer. Don't get confused between a graphic designer and a visual designer. Now let's have a look at the trajectories of the web developer. Number 1. Front-end developer. The part of the website that user interact with directly is termed as front-end. It is also referred as the client side of the application. It includes everything that user experience directly: text, color, style, images, graphs, buttons, etc. HTML, CSS and JavaScript are the languages used for the front-end development, and the structured design, behavior and content of everything seen on the browser when website, web application or mobile apps are opened is implemented by front-end developers. Number 2. Backend developer. The backend is where the website core structure is designed. These are the developers which are experts in programming and using complex software languages like Java, SQL and C#. The work they do is not seen by the users because it involves coding on the web servers and databases, not on the browser. In short, their job is to create logical, functional website using various programs. Number 3. Full stack developer. The full stack developer have the ability to design complete web application and website. They work on the front end, back end, database and debugging of the web application and websites. Now let's have a look at the skill set of both. The skill set designed for the web designers need the knowledge of HTML and CSS, understanding the principles of website design and web accessibility standards, responsive and interactive design, conversion rate optimization, and user journey mapping. The skill set for the web developers are coding and programming languages such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, testing and debugging the website, backend and databases, content management system, and search engine optimization. Let us understand this with the help of an example. For example, we have to design a homepage layout, we need web designer, and to build a new contact form, we need a web developer. To create a mobile app, we use a web developer, and to conceptualize new website branding, we need a web designer. I think you have understand the difference between the two. So let's have a look at the market trend and average package. The market is growing at a higher pace than ever, with more than half of the population is on social media and connected to the internet. There is immense opportunity in this field. The average salary of the web designer is 4 to 6 lakh depending upon your skill, while for the web developer this can go up to 6 to 8 lakh per annum. So if you want to become web designer or web developer, you can contact us at